Hi friends, let me show you my new kit for washing my pets. Okay, I want to show you that it comes with all the accessories you need. Let me go through each of them. Perfect. Well, it has this tape if you needed to guarantee that the connections won't leak any water. It has these quick interchangeable endings. Okay, whichever kind of connection you want to use. Okay. Perfect. It has this hand accessory, so you can scrub your pet and get the most hair out that you can. Okay. It even comes with this hand accessory to do the same. To scrub the pet, to wash it, to wash him, and try to get all the hair from your pet. Okay, this is for washing your pet. And the main accessory, of course, is this faucet. It goes directly to your water hose, and it has this container where you can put some of the soap or cleaning solution that is authorized for a pet, of course. And you can indicate how much soap, how much water you want to get out of the system at once. So water keeps going out, it keeps flowing, then you stop. So you have all these stream features, the regular ones that you know, shower, for example. So you will be able to wash your pet with the soap that you use and with your hand accessory, your glove, to wash it really good. So great, let's watch the pets. We just installed this part of the hose connector that goes to the water supply. Perfect, so now we have water in the hose. Perfect, now we have water. As you can see, water goes in the soap dispenser. We have no soap yet, but you can imagine the soap will be mixed with water there. So here we're gonna wash our Peggy. Let me show you. Now, Peggy. Okay. We are going to put soap here. Some soap, of course. Perfect. And we're going to put the dial to have some soap. You can see water is flowing to the soap, so we are almost ready. I'm going to use this glove to wash her. Okay. We're going to do it gently. As you can see, soap is coming out of the paint. Now we have this glove that will get rid of almost all the dead hair that Peggy has, or loose hair. Okay. And now we are going to put the dial in only water so we can get soap off. Perfect. So if you want soap, you move it here, and you see how it gets soap out of with the water. And if you just want to use water, you put it here and no soap is coming out. So, well, that's the way to do it. Really, really easy, really practical, and Peggy is ready.